So finally got the transmission mostly back together, missing a few things here. Dropped the camera yesterday when I was struggling with it. Spent about 2 hours trying to get this case on and together, and just had a small gap. And it just didn't feel like it was going on right. Tried taking it off and jiggling it and making sure everything was in line like it's supposed to be, and just couldn't get it. Today took a few things, took the gear set and the shifters back out. Didn't really do anything. I made sure that the case fit with the dowel pins, made sure it fit with the main shaft, and then basically just reassembled it. And today it literally just snapped together, no problems, no issues. Has a nice, I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but has a nice bead of Honda bond going all the way around it. A couple of places where I had to clean it up because there was actually too much, so I kind of cleaned it up, but nice bead all the way around. Torqued all the bolts to specification here. You can see that. Torqued everything to spec, and now I've got to put the idler gear shaft and the screws, these balls and springs that control the shift throwout, and then test everything out. So update, yeah, both detent springs are the same part number here. The other one fell off whenever I was trashing this transmission yesterday around, and so I did not buy new balls, so I'll be reusing the steel balls that were on the inside, but the springs do get softer, and so that's good if you want the really firm shifts. As well, I've had some issues with these cups before, and so you get new cups, and obviously new crush washers for these cups because they are in fluid. They sit on the bottom, so you want to get new crush washers so they seal up and you don't have any leaks. So haven't done a whole lot in a couple of months, but I did get new washers for the retaining bolts here, for the spring retainers. I got new bolts there, put those in, and I'm about to put the 4 plugs in, which aren't exactly meant on all sides, so to speak. They are used. I didn't re-zinc them or anything. May do that at a later project. But they're decently clean, so we're going to go ahead and put them in and run it, get the car back together.